When adding or subtracting unlike fractions, such as 5 over 6 plus 2 over 9, which are fractions that do not have the same number in the denominators, the bottom number of the fractions, we first have to convert the fractions into like fractions, that is, fractions that do have the same number in the denominators. One of the quicker ways to do this is to find the least common multiple, or least common denominator, for the fractions by listing the multiples for each of the denominators and find the least common multiple from those listings. We'll start by listing all of the multiples for the denominator of the first fraction, which is 6. The multiples are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and if necessary you can continue onwards listing them out. Now we need to do the same for the denominator of 9 from the second fraction. So 9, 18, 27, and 36. Next, from our listings, we need to see if there's a least common number from the listings, and there is, the number 18. So that is the least common multiple for 6 and 9. We can write the conversions below the originals. 18 in the denominator for both fractions. We had to multiply the bottom part, the denominator in the first fraction, by 3 to get 18. So we must do the same for the top part of the fraction, the numerator, and 5 times 3 equals 15. For the second fraction, we had to multiply the denominator by 2 to get 18. So again, we must do the same for the top part of the fraction, the numerator, and 2 times 2 equals 4. As a note, all we've done for both of these fractions is multiply each of them by 1. The first fraction by 3 over 3, and the second fraction by 2 over 2. And 3 over 3 and 2 over 2 are both equal to 1. Now, since they have the same denominators, we can add them together, which is done by adding the numerators. So 15 plus 4 equals 19, and we keep the denominator of 18. So 19 over 18, which can, if necessary, be converted to a mixed number of 1 and 1 over 18. We would use this same method for subtracting fractions. For instance, using the same fractions, 5 over 6 minus 2 over 9. Again, list out the multiples for each of the denominators to get a common multiple of 18. Convert the fractions to 15 over 18 minus 4 over 18, which gives us a final answer of 11 over 18, which can't be reduced any further. If you're adding 3 fractions, like in this example, then you would list out the multiples of the 3 denominators and find the common multiple. Then convert the fractions with the common denominators and perform the addition. And here is an example of subtracting 3 fractions. Again, list out the multiples, find the common multiple, then convert the fractions, and then perform the subtraction to get your answer. Alright my friends, hopefully you got something out of this video. I do have more videos right there for you. Till next time, I am out of here.